quiet of the night, where stars above softly ignite, I find myself in whispered dreams, a world of peace, or so it seems. Elysian fields where angels play with silver beams that lead the way. A gentle breeze, sweet melody, in this haven my spirit's free. Heaven dreams where love abounds, in every heart a tranquil sound. With every sigh the night returns, in golden light my heart still yearns. Beneath the arch of moonlit skies, I chase the stars in soft reprise, a whispered song from realms above, embracing all that's pure and love. Once lost in shadows, now I soar through gates of dawn forevermore. In harmony, our souls align, heaven's dreams forever shine. So let me drift on clouded streams, in this enchanted realm of dreams. With every heartbeat, peace I find.